Hello and welcome to this short grammar presentation which looks at using have and has correctly. The word have is one of the most commonly used words in the English language. And so learning how to use this word correctly is essential for all English language students. The word have has many different meanings. It can mean have as in to take, have an illness or a sickness, have as in something to eat, something to drink, and have to possess something, to own something, to have something. Here are some examples of those usages of the word have. Have to take. I have a shower every evening. You can also say I take a shower every evening. Perfectly correct. She has a headache. We have breakfast at 8 a.m. He has a new phone. Okay, now here's the grammar that we need to remember when we're using have and has. And this is when we use have in the present simple tense. I have, you have, we have, they have. Peter and Jane have, the boys have. So you see Peter and Jane are two people and the boys are many people. So they're plural. So when we're using plural subjects in the present simple tense, we use have. Has, however, he has, she has, it has, Peter has, the boy has, the water has. We see here Peter is just one boy, so it's singular, so we use has. The boy, only one boy, has. And water. So water is an uncountable noun. So we have uncountable nouns, we also use has. Okay, so bear that in mind, remember that, and I have a little quiz here for you, and you can now put your knowledge to the test. So what I'd like you to do is perhaps stop the video for a few minutes and then answer these questions using have or has, which is the correct answer. Okay, and I have the answers coming up, so if you've not finished, please do press pause. And when you're ready, you can check these answers. I have a new school bag. She has a purple pencil case. We have English class on Monday morning. My sister has brown hair. He has a swimming class at 10 a.m. They have two cars, a Honda and a Toyota. My parents have never eaten sushi. Our teacher has two dogs, Moji and Mocha. It has been broken for a long time. The dogs have plenty of food in their bowls. And you'll see there, not all of the sentences are present simple. Some of them there are present perfect. But when we use present perfect, we also use have, and we need to use have or has correctly. Very important. Well, I hope this video has been helpful. Please do check out our other videos on this YouTube channel, Teacher's Notes. And if you like the videos, please click like and please remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching.